Hello! What a beautiful day in the garden! Look! What's that falling from the sky? Wow! Wow! It's a little glowing star seed. To plant a seed, we need a shovel.
A shovel helps us dig.
The seed needs a cozy home, like a pot. Let's fill the pot with soft soil. Plants get thirsty. We need a watering can.
A little water helps things grow.
Oh, look! It's Pippa! Pippa, look what I found!
Let's plant it together. Cubby makes a little hole for the seed. Pippa gently places the seed inside.
Now, a little drink of water.
Now we wait for the magic to happen.
Look, Pippa!
It's growing into a beautiful flower. It's a starflower. We use the shovel, the pot, and the watering can to help it grow. Thanks for growing with us. Good.
Goodbye!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join Cubby on more adventures.